Hey there, entrepreneurs. Welcome back to Dazonn Technologies. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the world of online business, dropshipping. If you've ever wondered what it is and how you can make it work for you, you are in the right place. I'm Dazonn, and this is What is Dropshipping? Everything you need to know. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model primarily used by e-commerce retailers that do not stock the inventory themselves. It is a fulfillment method where a retailer receives orders for products listed on the shop front, which are then forwarded to the supplier for shipping. Dropshipping is great for new entrepreneurs. Dropshipping is a great business model for entrepreneurs who are good at selling because they do not need to worry about maintaining stock or handling shipping. They just need to choose the right supplier with the right processes in place for shipping the orders. How does dropshipping work? The dropshipping process consists of 4 simple steps. 1. The customer places an order with the retailer. 2. The retailer processes the order and forwards it to the supplier. 3. The supplier fulfills the order in their warehouse. 4. The supplier ships the order to the customer. Pros and cons of dropshipping. Every business model has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's dive into the pros and cons of dropshipping to see if it suits your business model. Advantages of dropshipping. Lower startup costs. As a dropshipping business, you do not need to invest much in leasing a store, stocking inventory, or paying staff. All you need is an online shop front where you can direct the customers and sell your products. This online shop could be your own website or on popular e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Shopify, or Squarespace. Easy to start. Running an e-commerce business becomes much easier when you don't have to procure, maintain, and supply products. You can set up an online shop in as little as 15 minutes. Setting up the background processes such as accepting orders, processing orders, forwarding to the supplier, and accepting and making payments may take a couple of days more. But when you compare it with starting a physical retail store, it is much easier to start dropshipping operations. No inventory management. With dropshipping, you do not need to worry about maintaining inventory, handling shipping and returns, etc. Limitations of dropshipping. Many of the factors that make dropshipping a lucrative business proposition also have drawbacks. Be sure to consider these before committing to a dropshipping setup. High competition. Due to lower barriers to entry, competition is very high in the dropshipping business. Scores of businesses may be offering the same product as you. Product cannot be a differentiating factor, so you need to focus on things such as customer experience to stand out. Less control over inventory and shipping. As it is the supplier who is responsible for maintaining stock and shipping products, you do not have much control over product availability or its quality. Low margins. As there is stiff competition in the market, the margins are pretty low for dropshipping businesses. You need to operate on volumes to make a good profit. Is dropshipping right for you? A dropshipping business is easy to start and operate. However, you need to reflect upon many things to decide if dropshipping is right for you. Do you have the right mindset to start a retail business? Are you willing to devote the time needed for success? Have you tested your business idea? Do you have the resources and skills necessary for running an online business? Are you ready to learn as you go and optimize your business accordingly? And there you have it, folks. Unlocking dropshipping secrets. Everything you need to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your dropshipping experiences, leave a comment below. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. I'm Dazonn, signing off from Dazonn Technologies. Happy dropshipping, and until next time, stay entrepreneurial.